People change a Slack workspace URL link to improve branding, make it easier to remember, and keep it aligned with their business or workspace identity. Once we sign into Slack website, we will come across this page. If you have more than one workspace connected to your Slack account, go ahead and select the workspace that you want to edit. Now we're inside the Slack dashboard. From here, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on your current workspace name. A drop-down menu will open on the screen. From that list, click on the workspace name option once again. Now you'll see a pop-up window open. Here you can enter the username in this field. The username you enter here will become part of your new Slack workspace URL link. Once you finish entering the new username, save the changes. And that's it. Your Slack workspace URL link has now been updated. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.